If you've been following our coverage for January, you'll notice that there's a new player in town. Their name is King Jim. They make e-readers, memo pads, and a bunch of other digital stationery. This is the Pomera. This is by King Jim out of Japan. This is a portable keyboard running an e-ink screen. This is the first of its kind that has a clamshell design as well as a fold-out keyboard. This is the box. It is very nice. It's a brown box. You'll see on the side it has logoing all over the place. It says DM30, just some arbitrary model name. And we are going to open this up on camera for the first time because we have never actually cracked this open yet. So here it is right here, the King Jim Pomera user manual. So you just slide this out. You do have some regulatory information, and you have a like an encyclopedia-sized tome here, and it's actually bound. It's so big. This thing is a very big user manual, so if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, you have to use Google Lens to get that translated, because unfortunately it is only in Japanese. And we're gonna uncover the rest of the box first before we move on to anything else. And it looks like this tray is glued down, so we don't have anything there. Everything seems to happen in this nice little bag. So we're just going to open this up and slide this out. So this entire thing looks like it runs on a CR2032 watch battery. I haven't even opened this yet, but I'm pretty sure that's a CR2032 because most of them are. Let's crack that open though. So we'll just turn this using a 5 yen coin, and this is indeed a CR2032 watch battery. As you can see right there, it's a Maxell. So originally you can leave it in there. You can just remove this tab that separates the electronics, and that basically is the exact same thing as starting it, but we're just going to do it this way, and we're going to put this back. We are using a coin to open that up. It's totally fine. I just realized there is another tray here that looks like it does have batteries. So it does. It might be that this is using batteries to power it, and then it is using a CR2032 watch battery as a battery memory like old Game Boys used to do. Now the beauty of King Jim products outside of the e-reader itself is the other digital stationery. They use batteries, which means this isn't considered DG, which is dangerous goods. It's very easy to ship. We do have a micro USB and a full-size SD, which is actually a little bit, it feels outdated, but it isn't. It's just the format they're using. And that's about it for the device itself. It's just kind of a compact little thing. So we're just going to open this up, and there is that e-ink screen, and you can see you have your fold-out keyboard. And that is super, super cool. And you can see the folds. It folds right by the keys there, right by F12 and the @ symbol and everything. That is so nice. And actually, as you fold this out, the leg pops up of the actual stand. So this thing stands above the surface that you're working on. This is very, very nice. And this is very tightly hinged, which means it doesn't feel cheap and it doesn't feel like it's just going to fall under its own gravity. This is really cool, and the feel feels just like any other keyboard. That's very nice. We are going to charge this up, and we are going to, well, not charge it up actually, because it's running batteries. We're going to throw in some AA's in the back, and we are going to do a full review on this device. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the Pomera. This is an e-ink keyboard with a huge screen, and it does have the capabilities of folding up into a tight little package. It's completely compact, and it's actually shorter than a standard cell phone. For QWERTYreader.com and an unboxing of the King Jim Pomera, this is Peter.